Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe, get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already part of the crew, salute. So I just wanted to check out some cases here that we have for the OnePlus Nord N10 and the OnePlus Nord N100. Now, the N10 is a more matte material, so it doesn't require much wiping of the back of the screen, or the back of the phone. But the N100, the N10 is a glossy material, so we definitely need a little bit of cover protection. Now, you've probably heard of a company called Poetic, and they did send out some of their cases. Well, actually one case for each phone that they were gonna to check out. So we're gonna take a look at both of these cases. So make sure you hit the like button and show your support and appreciation. That would mean a lot. If you don't like videos like this, you could definitely hit the dislike button, but I would appreciate you hitting that like button, and I do appreciate you being part of the crew and actually joining me right now. So we're gonna take a look at the Revolution series. So both of these cases are from the Revolution series. They do say Poetic OnePlus Nord 5G in blue, and then we do have the Revolution series OnePlus Nord N100 black, both made in China, designed in the US, which is cool. They do have these recycled looking boxes, and it says Poetic on the side, so really nice boxes that it comes in, and it says Poetic on both sides, and the other side has the logo. So that's the logo right there for Poetic. So let's just go ahead and open up the first one. This is for the N10 5G, and it says it's in blue. So let's go ahead, take this one out. Oh, there's two in here. I thought there was just gonna be one in there. So there's actually two in there, so that's pretty cool. So wait, no, it's just one. But there's the two pieces to it. So let's go ahead and see what comes inside. So thank you again for joining me. I do appreciate you 100%. All right, so this one's cool because it doesn't have that screen protector here. It's gonna be for the front, and then we have this second piece right here which tells you the installation process as well. So this is going to be pretty cool. So this is what you need to learn about how to install it, but I'm going to walk you through every step of the way. So I do appreciate you for watching this video, clicking on this video, chilling with me for a few minutes right here. But we do have the Poetic series right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and take a look at it. This looks like it's gonna be very protective right off the gun. So right out of the gun, it looks like we have a kickstand, which looks really nice. I like how that folds. Really solid materials. We have a hard TPU material, and then a rubberized material right here as well. So it's dual protection, as you can see right there. Power buttons, power button is gonna be on the right side. Bottom, you get a flip out, pop-up out thing to protect the charging mechanism, which is Type-C, speaker grill. We also do have one of those for your headphone jack as well, so that actually protects it too. Let's go ahead and take off the front of this case right here, and that's the plastic film will be on there. So this one actually, okay, so I see what they did. They sent one with the screen protector, and then they sent one without the screen protector. So you could decide which one you wanna use, the one without it or the one with it. I think that's very, very good attention to detail. So I really like how they did that, because if you already have a screen protector on your phone, then you wouldn't want this case, but they did offer both options. So I really, really, really do appreciate that from Poetic. It's like really, they were paying a lot of attention to detail. So this is what you need to put on the front, and you do have one without the screen protector. So this device does, oh wow, drop protection, military grade, 810G. So they actually measured how well this would do during drop protection, and this is probably, wow, this looks solid. So we have like this industrial look, really solid stuff here. The rubber is very, very solid here. We're just gonna put this on the phone. Let me stop talking right now. So the first thing you want to do is pop on the front seal right here. So let's go ahead, check out the one with the screen protector on it. This is for the inside. Very easy to remove those plastic guards right there. I'm gonna wipe off the front of the screen so there's no smudges before we put it on. Let's turn off the screen right now. Let's do the same thing for this side and remove any dust or anything of that nature. There's gonna be a lot of dust in the air, so all you have to do is pop that top part on, and wow, it's very responsive. With the screen protector on there, it's really responsive. So let's go ahead and turn off this display. Now what you want to do to get this on here is put them in corner by corner. So I usually put the top portion in first, and then I could, wow, that's easy to get in there. Very easy to get in there. And give it a squeeze. And now it's pretty much in there. That looks solid. It has that teal border, which is probably one of my favorite colors in the entire world. Facial recognition works perfectly fine. The buttons feel really solid on this thing. This is very good protection. You can see that the fingerprint sensor is embedded inside of the case as well as the camera module, so those will be protected as well. If it drops on a rock or something like that, I doubt it will actually break the camera lens unless it hits dead center inside of there. But we do have Poetic branding on here. Like I said, you get the volume rockers on the left side. So the click on this case feels really good. It's satisfying as well. They give a little punch hole cutout for the screen protector. You also get the one that doesn't have the screen protector as well. So the buttons feel really nice on here. So that kickstand is really easy to pop up. You could use it vertically. Once it locks, you just gotta lock it down like that, and you'll hear it click. And that's how you know it's locked. And then you could set up the phone vertically or horizontally for when you're watching video. So this is really, really useful when you're watching media. Also for protection, it's just really solid. It fits perfectly in the hand. It's gonna add a little bit of bulk to the device, so just keep that in mind. But it's not gonna scratch the camera at all because it's just really nice embedded in there. Everything just feels solid on this one. So I really like this guy right here, especially the fact that they paid so much attention and added a second covering without the screen protector, just in case you already have that on there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the second case from Poetic, the Revolution series, which is gonna be very, very good for military standard drops, things of that nature. So this is really solid stuff here. You can see this thing looks really, really good. I really am a big fan of this series right here. So let's check out the other Poetic Revolution series for the N100. This is going to be the black one. So this is a new case. It says on here made in China, but designed in the US. So now we have the second case right here. We're going to put this off to the side. Let me just see right here. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate you guys 100%. I do appreciate you for clicking this video. Like I said, show your support, hit the like button as well. It really helps the channel. And go ahead and cut that part. So they did the same deal. They put that little, the one without the screen protector, and then they put the one with it. So I just really, really appreciate them for doing that. Let's go ahead and lift this off. That sounded really nice and satisfying. Let's go ahead, pop this out. And it's really easy to pop out right here. You don't, if you're a girl and you have nails, it might be a little bit harder because you might break a nail or something like that. But for the guys who don't have nails, you know, it's gonna be really simple. And then take this part out. And I really like how these pull tabs are so easy to take off. I'm a big fan of that. Now let's go ahead and pop this on. But first I'm gonna actually wipe down the screen. There's a little bit of fingerprinting going on here. And lock the screen real quick. And yeah, this is crazy. This is nuts. So let me actually wipe down the front. So make sure there's no smudges on this side. Very, very cool stuff here. Shout out to Poetic one more time. I definitely love these cases. They remind me of some cases that I reviewed before, but mainly the design is very solid. It's built very strongly. Please show your support and appreciation by hitting that like button as well. That would mean a lot to the channel. So we do get the same exact style for this one as well. These cases are extraordinarily protective for people who are going to be on the maybe you're going to the beach in the summertime and you want something that's not going to get dirt in your ports. This will cover the ports very well when you're on the beach. If you work in construction and there's a lot of dust in the air, this will be very good for that as well. You can see that it covers the Type-C port and it covers the headphone jack port. So the speaker is actually in there as well. But for dust protection, this is your way to go. And I know a lot of people work in warehouses and things of that nature where there's a lot of sand and dust in the air. So this is gonna be very good for that. I mean, very, very good for that. All the buttons click very nicely. It has a substantial amount of grip on here, that dual tone grip. So you get this hard plastic rubberized material on the sides. Kickstand as well that pops out very nicely. I like how easy it is to do that. You can stand it up vertically. Cameras are embedded inside of that thing really good. Also the fingerprint sensor looks really nice in dead center right there. Poetic branding down below. Power button on the right side. Volume rockers on the left side. Top, you get your noise cancellation mic cutout, and all the cutouts are here. There's nothing that they missed. I give this a 10 out of a 10 when it comes to protection, because you won't have any you won't have to worry about anything whatsoever when you're using either one of these cases. So I just really do appreciate Poetic for sending these cases out. I really do enjoy the fact that they added the ones without the screen protector as well. Just shows that they really pay attention to detail, because I remember I did a video and I was like, you know, I wish that they didn't add that there, but not this particular model, but a different case that was similar to this one. So I guess they were listening. But I hope you guys found this video helpful in any way possible. Shout out to Poetic. Give a big like down below for Poetic and for the channel to show your support. If you didn't find this video helpful, that's okay too. You could also hit the dislike button. You know, I do appreciate you for watching and for, chilling with me throughout the whole video, but I do appreciate you 100%, but I'll get right back with you later, crew. Peace.